Many maps of Merlin. Case 2. Here we go. Case 2 solve. I took a brief look into level 1, but yeah, it seems to be harder. But let's hope for the best. I think there are only 5 quests here. Oh no, there are 7. So there are 14 quests. Not only 12? I don't know. Anyways, impossibly hard. Super good. Oh boy. Yeah, let's see. Level 1. It's the reverse of case 1. So, B and X match this in here. So to get the number and concatenate this with B then. Yes. Okay, it's fine. On which cell do they appear? Many maps of no Merlin's quarter. Flatten map. This is the map. And I want to flat it. Filter values, yes. And now I do an this is buggy. X lookup for this icon in here, returning the address. Okay. Quest 2 was easy. It should be a hard one. Each creature yearns for something. They can move. Minimum moves for all the creatures seeking. Do they need to stay on the map? No, I don't think so. Okay, so I also flat this map. Flatten map. Filter blanks. And also put in what thing this is. Yes, okay. And filter the starting cells if this is a duck. Case 2. Hello. Oh no, not here. Here 2 starting cells and oh no, I'm getting this error. Oh, I hate Excel for this. They still not have fixed this. Okay. Let's make a hard copies. And here I need to. So I like Excel, but currently there are that many errors in formulas and other stuff. They should, before inventing new stuff, they should they should focus on getting rid of those errors. That's my word of the day. And yes, I know it's probably also because of indirect function and all that stuff, but anyways, I haven't had this problem up until a few months ago, so okay, cell no map this as lambda a. This is so annoying. Min of distance between cell references a and this filter stuff here. 0? No. This hasn't evaluated correctly. Okay, I've first okay, I've closed and reopened it. Interesting. I'm on the other side of things. I think the answer here should be 6 and not 8. Anyways, no. Why isn't this right? Oh, they cannot move diagonally. Oh, that's the error. Distance. Yeah, okay. Makes sense. Min of this. And we have this level solved. Level 3. Currently very hard. Okay. Movement are chained together. Okay. Okay, I think this is then unique XLOOKUP for the shark in here, returning the address. No. And this is then cell ref based on the reference and array cell reference, and split text into letters. I think errors are only 1 long, so yeah, this should be right. D10. Yeah, moves up twice. And then indirect of this and why is this wrong? Still wrong. Yeah, I don't like that Excel is autocorrecting this. And then I need to do an XLOOKUP for this symbol in the flattened map, returning the name. And it's fish. Okay, so far so good. The levels are quite small, so I don't get that many arrows. Okay, for each cell below, the what is terrain type and content and the corresponding cell in the Battle for Camelot map. Okay, so B5. It's the terrain type. And then, okay, I like this. I first need to have my macros. Because I have a macro for the stuff. Don't go away. Copy this, just in case. And then first I need to have this area here, and then this terrain type. Start my macro. Replace based on color. Yes. And now I have here everywhere the terrain type. Thank God I have this stuff here. And then I know how to do this. So equals indirect of this map here, and guys, do the and this cell here. Oh, sorry, this cell here, and underscore and xlookup indirect and this cell here in this table here, returning the name. Okay. Something wrong. A few stuff wrong. AM20. Is there something if there's nothing in there? Oh, empty. Okay. Xlookup optional argument empty. Got it. Okay, this was a fast level, and yeah. If you saw my video from now 4 days ago, I had some errors with my replace based on color macro, but now this is resolved. I overwrote it with another macro. But this is quite handy. I have a video about my color macros and also share them on my channel if you want to find them. It's super handy, and in this case it was great that Elliot did this even on the same column. Okay, level 6. Impossibly hard. Battle for Camelot. An enemy is approaching. What was this? Very hard. Okay, there's still hope. Okay, the problem is with those themed cases that the instructions are like not every time that clear, but yeah, we will go there, be there hopefully. Oh. So the monsters will move south. if there is then a tree or border, they will move east, and if there is then otherwise they will move west, otherwise 80. Okay, so they will only move to one of the bridges. So this monster, oh no, this monster, skeleton 1. Oh boy. How should I do this? Somehow I need to do this in a kind of iterative way. So let's see. I need to have the instructions. And we can start on 8018. I think this is better. Okay. And from the arrows, this is our safe arrow. Okay, I want to copy this map again, and I work then in this map here, because I want to override the water with once. Okay, I don't know. Want a macro for this. I think I don't need everything here. What is the shortcut? One control. Okay. Let's be safe. Okay, bridge is, I don't know. I will do this sharply. Tree of water moving east. Tree of water first west, then east. Okay, cell ref based and on reference and arrow array. This is the starting cell, this is the arrow. And now I want to have indirect. I think indirect will not spill. Yes. But I have an is indirect easy not working with multiple cells? I thought it was working with multiple cells. Is a robot active? No, it's not. L indirect easy. Oh. Okay, I need here something to spill this. Something like a map. Okay, it is on the list. I know that it's not working, but yeah, okay, then do this manually. Okay, if this is 0, then I use this, otherwise if this is 0, then I use this, otherwise if this is 0, then I use this. Okay, so our starting cell is 8019. Okay, and therefore we use AC19. Okay, this is working. It's not elegant, but it's working. Okay, we have a ref error because okay, now I need to find out when I'm at the bridge. So in this case, somehow 14 movements. Okay, let's track this even longer. Sequence 40. Yeah, let's try 40. Okay, 14, I'm at a Y26. Okay. But I want to be at Y27. Because here's a monster. Yeah, okay. But this is also bridge, so I can get rid of this monster. Everything else. Oh, only if there is a tree or water. Okay. If or okay, so I need to adjust this. Or okay, if or this equals there's a tree. If or this equals 3 or this equals 1, then something else, otherwise this cell. If or this equals 3 or this equals 1, then something else. Yeah, and if this is possible, then okay. I do not need the last one because always something is possible. Y27. Okay, I could have left the monster there. I think it was there. Yeah. But now 2, 2, 2, 2. And now I do an XLOOKUP for 2. XLOOKUP 2, or an XMatch is also possible. Oh, Y26. There should not be anything there. Okay, because this is the cell, I then need an indirect of this. Because this is the cell we are in. And I then need to find the first 2 with an XMatch. Which is 14. Okay, this took me a while, but let's see. Only 10. Battle 3. Data table, column input cell. Okay, we have answers. Let's hope that they're right. Yay! Impossibly hard. That's what I would like to read. Oh boy. Okay. But I no longer stop at the bridge. Instead, I will keep moving forward until I reach row 44. Without penalty. Oh, not to be in the same direction. Okay, so the speed isn't important first. It is also important to say, okay, how many moves are there at the end? So here 43 moves divided by 2 rounded up is 22. Okay. Okay, I think I can work well with this one. Okay, I think I copy this another time. Yes, yes to all. Data tables making this slow, but anyways. Okay, want to work in the new file. Okay, making here ones everywhere where water is to avoid this. I don't think that this is harder than the first one, but I can be wrong. So okay, get rid of the bridge tools. But I can still not move over water if I'm not wrong. Okay, I think I need to make here something like 80 and drag this longer. And then I want to know, not indirect, but if the row number is 44. And then we want to X-match 44 in the then longer thing. Yeah. Okay, let's get rid of the data table, but calculate this once. Okay, okay, the trick is to close Excel and all Excel instances. I'm here at 33, but I'm starting in the wrong cell. So N6 is my start cell. Let's test this. N6. Is this still? It's 44. Really? Oh yes, okay. N6 is my starting cell. Is this right? Yes, okay, I know what is wrong. Because I'm counting here also this here, but this doesn't count as a move. Only this count as a move. Yeah, okay. And then depending on the icon, yeah, okay. Indirect. This is so annoying. It's also super or quite dangerous. Okay, this is the speed. Here we are. Oh, Y27. Okay. Y27. It could be that this is like the icon here because I've deleted it. But let's bring this icon back in. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now I need all starting cells. This is so annoying. Data table, column input cell. Okay, close it. Reopen it. Okay, it has calculated. Not yet, but no. No, it hasn't. This is the most annoying thing on earth. Is this calculated? No. Okay, I think I need to live with this error. Is this always 44 or 43? Don't think so. Okay, what can I do to get rid of this error? AM I10. This is okay. I turn off the calculation properties for all sheets that I don't need anymore. It's turned off. Turned off. Turned off. Turned off. Turned off. Turned off. Okay. P18. Okay, it has calculated something. Let's try this. And then equals round up. This divided by this. This can't be. This can't be the case. It could be that this is because of the indirect functions and my lambdas and everything, but I haven't had this problem since a few months, so I don't know what they did. Okay, everything is right. It was impossible hard, but it was doable. It wasn't harder than level 6. But I had to fight with yeah, Excel. So side quest 1. Okay, first I turn off the calculations in here in the properties, and yeah, then we should be fine. On all 3 maps. Okay. So I copy all maps together and count the number of stuff. Oh, guys, this isn't funny anymore. It is annoying AF. Ah, nee. And there are 9 items. It's horrible. This error is horrible. And 9 is wrong. I'm reasonably sure that it's 9. It's saying 10. Oh boy. Question is, I probably overwrote, but I have copied from the original maps. It could be that I overwrote some of the stuff. Where is the sheet? I've lost this count sheet. Okay. Huh? Have I hidden something? Oh no, sheet 1. It is possible that I overwrote something, but I'm quite sure that I didn't. And I also go from A to the last column and the last row. Okay, I'm not 100% sure with this 9. But let's see. With this 10. if the B in cell O28 follows all movements in quest 4. Okay, O28, all movements in 4, O28. So ref of this and split of concat of this. AF46. Calculate this. This is so annoying. If this would happen in an Excel esports case, in a real life case, I would be crashed. And I know that this is not happening in the beta version. AF46 is wrong. Okay. Which is weird. There's 25 errors. The length of an error is 1. I know this. And O28. AF46. Name of the icon. It's in the East Camelot map. AF46. It's a cactus. Cactus. This is so annoying. Okay, I think I turn off the desktop audio for you, so you will not be annoyed by this bloody stuff. And I can also turn it off for me. Yeah, that's okay. It's not a cactus. Why? It's a cactus. It's a cactus. Okay. King Arthur is moving through East Camelot. What are Q3 movement rules? Okay, okay. Arthur, then Fleur de Lis, Excalibur, Holy Grail, and Merlin cells. Merlin cell. And it's on East Camelot. King Arthur, Fleur de Lis, Then Excalibur. Then Holy Grail. Then Merlin. Holy Grail. Here it is. Okay. And now XLOOKUP for those items in here, returning the position, and then distance between cell references. And 134. Which I don't know if this is the answer. It is the answer. If this will calculate. Yes. Oh no. Beware of the dark. This is annoying. Okay. Okay, give me 1 sec. Okay, after a quick break, I know. Okay, so now we should calculate for all maps how long it takes the ape to go to the banana with avoiding the other creature, the special creatures. What? This is so annoying. So I think I will solve this manually. Sometimes a good manual solution is better than something non-manual. Okay, Merlin range is 7. No. So this is Merlin's range. King Archer is this. Knight, Archer and Soldier is 1. Okay, there is no king. Okay, and the ape is in here. A battle for Camelot only. But is there a king? So the ape is going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16. I say 16 for the first one. So 16. Then East Camelot. Oh boy. Is there Merlin somewhere? Where's my ape? Here. No. Okay, I can't use this then. Okay, but we will do this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 14, 15, 16. It's always the question if those cells count. I'm not 100% sure anymore. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 14, and those cell counts. The starting cell not, but the landing cell they count. So it's is it 15? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15. Ah, it's 15. Glad that I've checked. Yeah, 15. Okay. Is here somewhere a king? Oh yeah, there's a king. And where's the ape? AK 21. So AK and AP. Oh. AP. No, this is right. Huh. Could this be? Of course. Okay, here. I need to switch this one because I've copied not and B. So AL is it? And AJ and AO is it now? Where's the ape? Here's the ape. And I think there's no one to watch out for, so I can use the 28 distance from the first case. Now it's getting tricky. Battle for Camelot. My banana is here. Where's the ape? H24. Oh boy. Okay. The ape is on the bridge. The banana is there. On this bridge. Okay, and I need to watch out for those stuff. Merlin. Let's search for him. Oh, he's there. Okay, he's there. 7-7. Okay, I need to avoid this one. And King Arthur. Is also there. So I need to walk here. Because this is also blocked. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh no. Other direction, because he is an archer, and there's the wall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, this is kind of doable. Okay, I can go there earlier. I need to add 1 here. I say that this is my route. And this is 47. 90. Which is wrong. 88. Oh, no. I don't think so. Okay. I'm quite sure that this is right. Here. This needs to be right. 15. Okay, then let's check this map here. Okay, yeah, it could be that if I'm walking there earlier, that I'm able to avoid the horses. Here I go in the earliest. So something like this. And this is 45. Ah, okay. Normally, you would not have the possibility in live case. 88. Here we go. Calculate Excel, calculate. So now, side quest 5 or bonus 5. Following the quest movement rules after the enemy have moved 10 times. A what? Where's quest 11, 12? Where's quest 12? Oh boy. Oh boy. Following the quest 12 movement rules, after the enemy have moved 10 times, how many enemies are within each of the army ranges? Where is quest 12? Okay, there is no hint where quest 12 is. Quest 7 probably. Okay. Don't understand this question properly. Following quest 12 movement rules. Uh, 10 times. Oh boy, okay. So we basically say each of those enemies has walked or has moved 10 times. So like with the FMWC UK painting case. So each of those each of those enemies is walking 10 steps with those calculations, or with those, what you say. And then we want to know Which is in whom of those are in the army range? But none of them is crossing here, I think. Well, this is one is crossing, and but is the range? What is the range of the army? King Arthur and Merlin. Ah, okay. Are they also counting as army? Oh no. Hmm. Ah. No. What is then the range of those? What is the range? What is the range? After the ministers moved 10 times at the Battle of Camelot. Battle for Camelot. I know that they can move, but okay, okay, they're also army. But only King Arthur and okay. Okay, I use this here. I know that Excel will not like this, but yeah, okay. So I need to have their ones and 1, 2, 3. X. Oh no, this doesn't make sense. Only if they are at N. But there is no army on this side of the. So this will. I say they're too far away to make any sense. I can move everyone 10 fields. That's not a problem. So let's do this. I think this is then the answer. Or is this the answer? This is the answer. Where they are. Oh yeah, okay, we have used 80. Okay, this will not stop. Hello. This map stuff is super heavy on computing. Okay, and this is then the answer. And we need this for all starting cells where there is something. flatten map. Get rid of blanks. Calculate this. Yes, I know that you will have problems. This is so horrible. And I don't know what to do. I've turned off all calculations that are non-necessary. And it still will not work. So, yeah. Okay, it has calculated. Okay, now I need to search if they are an enemy. If there's nothing, then X. Filter, starting address equals enemy. Enemy is no. Is this written? Enemy. Yeah, it's written right. We have all the cells. And then I need to know where they are after 10 movements. That is what I understood. Okay. We're finished. Kind of. Not completely. So let's force a recalculation by reopening. Oh boy. 1.5 hours, okay. Okay, it's opening and calculating. Still calculating, you see this down here. And we have all our cells. No. It's buggy, but turn off, turn on calculations, and I want to have the ribbon active. Okay, and now I probably need to find out what is, if there's something on those fields. So I normally, what I would do then here is an indirect. But I can't see a single archery And also, if you take a look at the 2023, I can't see that there are 23 enemies, because I only count, okay, I count 55. Okay, this could be, but somehow none is in the range. Oh boy, this is the range. Oh, okay. Now I understood. Oh, I have not paid attention to this stuff. Oh boy. Okay. Oh, this is hard. How do I want to do this? Something like 2, 3, multiple maps. And then 2, 3, and yeah. And do not count closest range. Age 40 is soldiers. Yeah, of course. Oh, they move faster. Okay, I screwed up. Okay, some of them move faster. Okay, we can solve this. Okay. This is horrible. A Morgan is 1, Ninja is 2, 3, and Skeleton is 1. Okay. Okay, xlookup this in here, returning the symbol, which I then look up in here, returning, I don't need absolute references, but anyways, returning the speed. Okay, and based on the starting cell, I get the speed, which is then, if it's 2, then okay, xlookup this times 10 plus 1 in here, returning this then. Okay, now again do a data table for this as an answer. Okay. This will calculate some time. And after that, I'm not 100% sure how I want to do this with the Rangers. I've totally overlooked the Rangers. Okay, we've calculated everything. Oh, but we can't move over walls. So I-50 isn't possible, I think. Yeah, but I think then we are in soldier range. Okay. Okay. Okay, I think I want another map. Oh boy. Yeah, okay. That was clear. I shouldn't have copied the... Oh no. Shouldn't have copied the data table. Oh boy. Yeah, okay, I've lost 10 minutes. Yeah. This Excel stuff is... Okay, let me quickly restore it. Okay guys, I'm back. I've restored everything. And I've also tried here, because the soldiers range is beginning at row 39. I've started with this one, and for soldiers I'm at 12. So for those who are backed by soldiers, I'm at 12, which is actually the partial answer, so S12. But I'm still need to work on the remaining part. So what I try to do, so for soldiers I'm fine, but for the rest I'm adding here a K in another table, so I've copied... Oh, this is so annoying. I don't know. I think if anyone has a clue why this is happening, please call. So here for K, everywhere where we're in night range, I write in a K. And yes, we're finished. Okay, and then I need an indirect of those, indirect of those in here, so, and the ending cells here. Here's a ninja. I don't like to have the ninja. And then here everything else is in archer range. Oh, okay. Okay, this is fine. Thank God I've worked on another sheet. Ah. I could also overwrite this stuff here, so also the water and the bridges, because we will not be there, because I've worked in another sheet. But I should work with only A. Okay. I need to keep out to not overwrite the K section, but besides from that, A. Yeah, should be fine. Okay. And now, yeah, this can calculate. Huh. I only have archer range. No knight range, which is weird. Soldier range I have also, but nothing between 20 and 38. Here. Ah, this hasn't calculated properly. That's the point. That's the point. Now, when I'm open it, it magically can recalculate, so yeah, I don't know what the error is with the resource warning. It's super annoying. I hope they fix this. It's since a few months, and I've also reproduced this error on multiple machines, multiple different versions, all versions non-beta, but A. Only A. No. This can't be. H25 is archer, okay. But something like AR26 should be knight. And it isn't knight. Ah yes, because I'm an idiot and I've used the start cell, not the ending cell. Oh boy. Otherwise, soldier. This is so annoying. And I'm over 1.5 hours. I think this is one of the, if not the longest video on my channel. But anyways, yeah, we're on the reach to the goal. And then I use CMV on this range here, and hopefully we'll get the same answers as could be CMV. Yeah, it's gone. And then the answer is code AKS A26 A23 K20 S12. Let's try this. Oh. Yes, it's right. Oh boy, if you stayed with me this 1 hour 40 minutes longer than most of the movies, then write a comment down below. I'm still not 100% sure about the answer to side quest 1, but besides from that, 2110 points after nearly 2.5 hours. Yeah, but anyways, fun case. I wrestled with Excel all the time, as you saw. And yeah, but interesting stuff. And you can use some lambdas, but they are not the cure for all. So thank you for your attention. Write a comment below if you stayed until the end, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.